Gosh, you sure know how to take a hit, don't you?
A hit? The dude took a death blow.
I think I get it now. If the system is bent on using me, I'm just gonna have to use the system.
Hang on. What crap are you talking?
You hunt and hunt. So now I want to know if the hunters are ready to be preyed upon.
Are we ready to be preyed upon? And just what can a jumped up little E-Rink like you even do? I mean, you're the weakest hunter of...
That's one down.